Y arriba yo, mi papá y la chona.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I just realized, well, I know I didn't do it, but I guess better late than never, right? I did quite a bit of shopping during those holidays, Black Friday and all of that stuff. Mostly online. I was planning on doing video, I just never did it and got lazy, you know. Then I started working on the shop. But yeah, this is what I got. Some of the stuff, it's kind of mixed in already with some of the stuff I've already had, but let me get y'all turned around and I'll show y'all what I got. All right, everybody. As you can see, this Kobalt, it's a charging station. I picked this up online. Has all your up here for all your plugins, put your chargers, and then a place to hold your tools. This is also one of the tools I bought. Let's see if I can get that. Be that 1/2 inch Craftsman 19.2 volt. I bought this one right around the beginning of the year. Anyway, so I got this thing. Got that. Also got, if I can move this out of the way real quick, hopefully it don't fall. I bought these two ladders. I don't know if y'all seen these, but those are the ones that they extend to different heights. You can stretch it out to make it a one long ladder or an A-frame ladder, or I got two of them. You can even use it as a scaffold if you buy the planks, which are really expensive, so I doubt I'll ever do that. Anyway, also y'all remember I told y'all that I had picked this up from my brother. I got it filled up with some tools already. It's a little squeaky, but yeah, here's some other stuff I picked up. I don't know if y'all remember, I told y'all I was a little plier shy. I'm not anymore. As you can see, I got vice grips. Got the little rounded inside. Got the ones with the flat over here. So I got a couple sets of that. Some little mini pliers, cutters. Some channel lock style. I think y'all seen this before. Got a vice grip right here. This one, all of this stuff is Craftsman. Except for this one's Vice Grip brand. Bought a couple of long. Bought me some other screwdriver set. Have here at this shop. Let's see what else I got. Oh yeah, I got a set of tin snips also. And the rest of y'all stuff y'all have already seen. And yeah, stuff I've already had. And the grinder, I don't know if I showed y'all. Yeah, I think I showed y'all that. Anyway, what else did I get? I got a little dolly, but it's shoved up in the corner over there. I'm not gonna mess with that. But yeah, I thought I bought more than that, but just looking around. Oh, my chairs. I got my chairs also. So I can have a place to sit down here at the shop. Anyway, that's it. I think from the tool haul. Well, I have some screwdrivers. Those impact screwdrivers. And the rest of the stuff I bought, it's in, I think it's in the truck in a bag. That got a job coming up, so I already got that put away. Anyway, yep, that's about it. Yeah, this was just a quick tool haul video. Like I said, I bought some more stuff, with some more pliers and other stuff that I keep in a bag. Maybe I'll do a video on that, show you what I used to take out on a job with me when I got just some handyman stuff to do. Well, for now, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.